Let's see the ingredients for this Tiranga cupcakes. Here we have all-purpose flour or maida. This is 1 cup plus 5 tablespoons. Here we have granulated sugar. This is 3/4 cup. Milk half cup. This is thick curd or yogurt. This is again half cup of oil. Let's see the other ingredients. Here we have salt. It is 1/4 teaspoon. Then baking soda half a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and half a teaspoon of vinegar. Since today we are making tricolor cupcakes, we need some food color. This is edible food color, green color. I am using powder food color today. And I have taken here 1 pinch and orange color 1 pinch. You can also make use of gel food colors or liquid food colors. Those who have seen my previous videos, they all know very well that I normally do ovenless baking. And here you can see there is one huge aluminium vessel and I've kept it for preheating. Inside you can see one ring or stand, and I'll just close the lid and I'll heat the vessel on medium flame for 10 minutes. Very first thing, we are going to add sugar to this bowl. We will add milk to this sugar. Now to this we'll be adding yogurt or curd. We will just mix this all very well until the sugar dissolves. Now to this we'll be adding some salt. Sugar has dissolved and now to this we'll be adding oil. We will mix it very well again. Now we will add vanilla essence to it. Now to this we'll be adding this maida or all-purpose flour. Now on top of this we'll be adding this cooking soda. On soda we'll be adding this vinegar. Our batter is ready now and you can see how smooth it is. Now we will divide this batter into 3 equal parts. We have divided the batter into 3 equal parts and now we will add color to it. We will add green food color to one part. We'll add orange food color to another. Both our colors are ready now. Now here I have some silicone molds. These are cupcake molds and you get easily in market. You can also make use of aluminium mold. Now here I am not brushing it or not greasing it with any butter or oil, because silicone molds helps to demold faster and easier. Now very first thing we'll be adding green color to it, as green color will be our base of cupcake. We have added green color to all the molds. Now we will add white color on top of this. Be very gentle as you should not mix the colors. Now it's time to add orange color on top of this white color. Now we will keep this for baking. Now I have placed this plate inside and now we will cover this and we will bake it on low flame, very low flame, for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now and we will open and we will check. You can see how beautifully they have rised, but they are still little wet and they are underbaked, so we will just cover this again and we will bake it for more 10-15 minutes on low flame. Now it's total 30 minutes and we will open and we will check, and our cupcakes are done. And I'll just insert a skewer and I'll just check it. You can see here the skewer has come out clean and our cupcakes are done perfectly. We will just take this out. You can see how easily it got unmolded because of the silicone mold, and you can clearly see the 3 layers.